There are a lot of good reasons to embrace cooking. Things like so you can eat, so you can share flavors with your friends, so you can feed your family. But perhaps the best reason of all to embrace your inner chef is quite simply because once you understand cooking, it can be a lot of fun. I mean, it's fun to make bread pudding, to whisk together eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla, then soak and bake bread in the pudding. It's fun to try new ideas, and it's always fun to freestyle cook. And it's particularly fun to stir every form of chocolate known to man into one bread pudding. But this time it's 3 cups of chocolate milk, and it doesn't go into the eggs because you need heat to melt the dark chocolate. 4 ounces of it. With a couple of tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of brown sugar, and a tablespoon of vanilla. Not a lot of heat, just enough heat to melt the finest dark chocolate money can buy, and that's definitely one of the things I like about chocolate. This is one of the few places in your life where you can afford to buy the very best. It's not hard to find a half cup of creme de cacao either, chocolate liqueur. But no way, under no circumstances, is that pudding mixture ready for the bread. Nuh-uh, not until you add a cup of chocolate chips. Or 2 cups, or 3, or all the chocolate chips. Just look at all that oozing, deep, dark, rich chocolate. It's a good idea to stir for a moment or two until the bread absorbs all of the pudding mixture, but frankly, I'm not even sure you need to cook this at this point. That's just plain good right now, but I'm going to stick to the plan, and this time it's all about an individual bread pudding for everybody at the table so everybody feels like they finished an entire pudding. And all it takes is an hour or so at 350 degrees. And there's only one possible way to dress up 5 chocolate bread pudding, now isn't there? With chocolate whipped cream, of course. And chocolate whipped cream is made with chocolate cream. And chocolate cream is made by simply melting together 4 parts cream with 1 part dark chocolate and then cooling down the works so you can whip it. Okay, I have to admit, sometimes I feel the need to go overboard a little bit, to be perhaps a little excessive, maybe even push some limits, but hey, the kitchen is a really safe place to do that, and a fun place too. I mean, once you know the bread pudding rules, you can break them all day long, and you just might end up with 5 chocolate bread pudding with chocolate whipped cream.